Welcome back to my channel. My name remains Toluwani. On this channel I upload videos on businesses, on career, and on education. If today is your first time on this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and make sure you press the thumb up. Why am I saying you should subscribe to my channel? Firstly, it is because it's going to help my channel to grow, and the other reason is just because once I upload, you'll be the first to see the content. So today I want to teach us on how to open PayPal. A few weeks ago I've been struggling on how to send money to somebody, and even which makes me to come to knowing of this on how to open a PayPal. Then I think there's going to be other people also that will also be struggling to open this PayPal, or they are struggling or they are suffering because they don't have this account. So this is going to be helpful for us. If this content is really for you, please make sure you watch to the end. Let's go into the business of the day. Let's dive into the system. So on our laptop or iPhone or Android, so let's go to our Google, either Google Chrome or Google. Then we are going to press PayPal there, and we'll search for PayPal. So let's search for PayPal. So we can see that the first one is digital wallet, money management, and more. So we are clicking on that. So now what we are seeing, it's brought the personal account. Let's scroll down to see what it display for us. Let's scroll down so you can see. So on the personal account, when we click on the personal, what it displays how PayPal works, pay online, send money, and search for deals. We can see that the PayPal that we are using in Nigeria is we can only send money, we cannot receive money. And some of us are business persons that our clients are out of the country, which require them to send us money. So they will need to send us money. We also need to send some money. So that is why we want to open this PayPal that involve both sending and receiving. So this PayPal that I'm teaching us is just because PayPal cannot be verified in Nigeria again, and there are also other countries that PayPal cannot be verified over there. So if you are part of those countries, just put where Nigeria is. You can also replace it with your own country too. So now we want to go for the business own. Then at the upper part we will see where the www.paypal.ng is. So that they are showing us that I come from Nigeria, so we want to change that to AE. Now that NG, we want to change it to AE. So then let's search for it. So we can see that after we search for it, what it shows up as the personal own, the business own, and partner and developers. So we are clicking on the business own. So under the business zone, we can see that we have accept payments, make payments, manage risk, streamline operations. Then accept payments, make payments, manage risk, streamline operations. So which means that we can both receive money and we can send money. So let's sign up for the business own. So after we've clicked on the sign up under business, what it shows us is that we should choose the two type of accounts. Are we opening for personal accounts, or we are opening for business account? So which means that we are going for business account. Then let's click on the business account and let's continue. So after pressing the continue, it asks us to sign up for a business account. So now, and is asking us to enter our mail. So you are going to enter the mail that you want to use. So let's log in the mail that we want to use here. So then I've entered the email address that I want to use. Then I'll press continue. So it asks me to enter the password that I want to use. So I've entered the password now. So it tells us about your business, the business I want to do. I should tell them. So it said I should enter the legal first name. So to enter the legal last name. So it is requesting for the business details, the legal business name. Is requesting for the phone number, so you need to put the code of your country there. So we are putting Nigeria. That is +234. Then the phone number, you need to put your phone number there. So it's requesting for the PO box. So you are going to put the PO box address of the environment there. So that is what you are going to put there. Then the city. So the city, and under the Emirates. So Nigeria is not part of the country that is there. So we are picking Dubai. So we'll pick Dubai. Then the currency, you are going to put it in the US dollar because we are receiving. So we'll click on the agreement and continue. So they ask us to describe your business. So you are going to pick on the business type. So let's click on it. So we are picking sole proprietor. So the website is optional. So the product or the service. So we are picking. So under the product or service keywords, we are putting clothing, which is family clothing store. Then the country or region of the incorporation, which is Nigeria, is optional too. So then let's continue. We'll click on continue. So they are requesting for the date of birth and identity document. So we'll fill that. So Nigeria. So the identity document. So you pick either your national ID card, either passport or your driver's license. So you pick the one that you have. Then you submit. So now as you can see, your account is ready. Okay, so your account is ready. As you can see, let's scroll up and let's scroll down to see what we have in the account. So we can see our paper balance, which is 00 USD, and the money in is 00 USD. So the money out is 00 USD. You can do your invoice there, and every other thing that you cannot do with the personal own, you can also do it here. So your account is ready. So the next thing that you need to do, because they will need to send you a confirmation mail in your email. So go to your email and go and click on the confirmation mail. Then your account is ready to be used. If you find this interesting for you, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned again. Please make sure you press the thumb up so that other people will be able to see. Thank you.